Hey guys, so I was looking for the answer if the Samsung S21 FA have a wireless charging, and here I just found it is that fast wireless charging 2.0 get a speedy power without needing to plug in. Simply place your phone down and completely charge it to get back to 100% quickly. And now when I'm going to look here, fast wireless charging available on wireless charger stand and wireless charger duo pad. So it really depends what kind of wireless charging you got, and those wireless chargers are sold separately. And also other wireless charging compatible with VPC support wireless charging under 5V. And that's pretty much it. That yes, for the Samsung S21 FA you can actually do it, and it's going to work. So just wanted to make this quick video for you, and have a great day and goodbye. Oh my god.